Birds. Majestic. Beautiful. But what if they are overpopulated?
Over the past few years, seagulls have been a major problem at Dartmouth Middle School.
Meet the guys. Ryan Farrow, Peter Barely, Nick Arnaud, and of course, Ryan Campbell.
This is the Dartmouth Bird Project.
Facsimile falcon in the air.
Steve and his apprentice Josiah gave us some ideas for bird abatement. We immediately took out the idea of a falcon because it was too expensive for our project. Instead, we took his idea of a lure pole, which serves as a fake predator for the birds.
After a few prototypes, this was our final product. Here's our first attempt with the lure pole.
To get more information for our project, we interviewed several Dartmouth employees.
They bring in, plastic gloves and from the dump, and they bring in things that you wouldn't want on at a public school.
There's thousands of damage in the gym because of their poop and their feathers. They plug up our drains, and that's caused already thousands of dollars of damage on the stage curtains, on the hardwood floor.
We tried many methods for abating the birds, including lure poles, dogs, air horns, and just straight up running.
Most of our ideas were not as effective as we hoped, so we decided to do a little more research. This led us to the Guadalupe Mines, a local landfill near Dartmouth Middle School.
After talking with the landfill's manager, we discovered that the landfill was hardly trying to abate their birds. This caused the Guadalupe Mines to become a breeding ground for the seagulls. So overall, we were unable to completely get rid of the birds at Dartmouth. But if we had more time and some more money, we definitely could have done it.
Yeah, if we had more money, we could have put spikes on top of the roof, we could have given Mr. Silva a professional lure pole, and we could have hired professional bird abaters that uses a falcon once a week to help abate the birds.
Yeah, I agree. But to add to that, also time is really a big factor. Because, we only had 3 months for the project, and we were only able to scratch the surface of getting what we needed done. And I think if we had a little more time, we would have been able to use the lure pole and the falcon and all the other equipment we have, and essentially gotten a long-term solution of getting rid of the birds.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Even though we didn't complete our long-term challenge, we did learn a few things. For example, we learned how to bait birds. We learned a lot more about birds than we did before, and we also learned how to problem solve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, so thank you
Thank
for
you for
watching
watching
the
the
Dartmouth
Dartmouth
Bird
Bird
Project.
Project.
I'm Ryan Campbell.
I'm Ryan Farrow.
I'm Peter Barely.
And I'm Nick Arnaud.
Thank you for watching the Dartmouth Bird Project.